me and my God I pray. And my mother pray from the other day. Me like clean to myself that one away.
So wagwan people, respect for tuning into another video, and big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, large up on yourself. From when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you know what is on the menu today. And today we're forward to talk about dancehall artist Jahshii, who is said to allegedly kill a dance brother in Grand Spain for dissing his mother. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like and share up the video so that others can be in the know. But you don't know how we do the thing already. We're going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
I say artist a artist and bad man a bad man. Lodge that in on the blood clotted. Murder people time I be a killing the on my mind.
So now people, dancehall artist Jahshii life is in danger following a confrontation last week Wednesday between his mother and another man in the Grand Spain community who is said to be known as Romie. So basically people, what really happened is that Jahshii mother, yeah, we all know that Jahshii mother have her shop where she sells soup in the Tr0uble area of Grand Spain, and Romie also have a shop in that vicinity of the community also. So what really occurred now people is that Jahshii mother and Romie had a verbal which turned physical altercation in the community. It is said that Romie, who is now deceased, basically dashed some water on Jahshii's mother, and basically you know say Jahshii nah go like that people because him really love him mother, and moreover really and truly no man nah go like that overall, you see me I say, because at the end of the day no man no one, no man this them mother, you see me. So Jahshii go page the youth people, so basically the youth start run with Jahshii and bad him up, and I make him know say him a little boy and him go sit down one side away him know about badness and them thing there, you see me. So basically people, you know say at the end of the day Jahshii never take keen to that, you understand what I mean, and Jahshii just cut, and basically them a say yo at the end of the day Jahshii have whole heap of importee man from Spanish Town in Grand Spain a par with him, you see me. So them man they from Spanish Town and tell themselves say, oh, them are going to defend the artist thing, and the boy not supposed to diss the artist a certain way, you see me. So them man they, yeah, them go at the youth shop and go bang him up viewers and subscribers, you see me, left him dead on the spot. So basically now people, that bring a whole heap of problem on Jahshii the artist, because Romie have a brother that goes by the name of Porky, and Porky is said to be a real gangster and a real knackies from out of the area of Grand Spain, who is known to be a real bad man and have a whole heap of run-ins with the police. And Porky is known to be a real top man in the area who have a whole heap of other top man links. But Porky right now is said to be in the United States of America after spending quite a few years behind bars. He basically got off his case and tell himself say him a go take it to Jahshii because him no like how Jahshii come make man come kill off him brother. So right there so now people who know say him no really take keen to what go on with him brother, and him a say him a go dirt Jahshii because Jahshii make him goons them come kill off him brother, you see me I say. So basically him a say Jahshii and no bad man from nowhere, so him decide say Jahshii got to go people, you see me I say. So right now the top man them in Grand Spain basically a beg for Jahshii right now, because Jahshii is on the run-ins. Yeah people, Jahshii cut from out of the community of Grand Spain, yeah, take away himself basically, and is now in hiding in another parish. So basically the top man them a beg for him, because you don't know say viewers and subscribers, Jahshii is a man who help the community with a lot of treats for the kids, and you don't know him donate a lot of money to the schools them in Grand Spain. But Porky is hell-bent and getting out Jahshii and say him no responsible nothing cause a fiend brother dead. And now given the fact that Jahshii is from the Grand Spain community also, he would have known the reputation of Porky as a bad man, and know say Porky is a man where would have definitely clap him way if him did there Jamaica right now. And Jahshii would have also know say Porky have a lot of big links in the United States that is supporting him. So it is easy for Porky to run up some man and send off for Jahshii people. So basically, tell me now, what you think people? You think say Jahshii bite off more than him can chew? Just drop your thoughts down into the comment section. But basically, you know where me and meds know people, and what me want is for the police to intervene from now before this thing escalates even more, because you don't know the Grand Spend community when it gets out of control. Whole heap of body can drop, whole heap of innocent get clapped with, and you don't know people. We don't want that. So definitely, me want the police to intervene into this from right now, because you don't know, say basically Jahshii have him goons them too, and him is no pushover, and Pokey also have his goons them. You understand what I mean? So this thing can easily escalate to a bigger war in the community of Grand Spend, where dozens can drop in no time, people. And yeah, basically me just want to send a message to all of the young artists them. Basically, you don't have to go in a badness. You understand what I mean? Me know say at the end of the day, a man have to prove himself in the street, which we call street creds. But you have to know say to at the end of the day, you have your career in front of you, and you as an artist have to go places, you have to go stage show. So basically, it no need for no get intervene into things them kind of way, ya people. You see me I say? And the artists them for know that and wise up. You see me I say? Because at the end of the day, them thing your uncle go put them in a problem or shake up them career. You see me I say, people? And basically, here what me I say to people, a foolishness that Romie do too. Because at the end of the day, Romie should never throw water upon the man mother. You see me I say? Because at the end of the day, respect due. And at the end of the day, basically, no man not gonna like that. You see me? So I just Jahshii do him thing too brawling. You see me I say? But basically, big up Jahshii just the same way, because you don't know, say, a bad artist and rate him to the max. You see me I say? So you don't know people. We just want this thing for quell from now, because it already reached a point already. It don't have to go further. You see me I say? But basically, here I want to do now, people. I want to drop on the thoughts down into the comment section. Yeah, leave a comment on what you think about this situation with Jahshii. You understand what I mean? Also, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah, remember to just like up the video, viewers and subscribers. Just click the like button right now and share up the content so that other people can be in the know, and so that YouTube can send it out to others, that others may know what really are going on. You see me I say, people? But you don't know how we do the thing already. You don't know. Peace. I'm out.